Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best gaming desktops, built to deliver incredible performance, high frame rates, and stunning visuals right out of the box. Whether you're into competitive esports, AAA gaming, or content creation, these powerful machines pack the latest CPUs, GPUs, and cooling systems to keep everything running smooth and fast. In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 gaming desktops, ranked based on performance, design, upgrade potential, cooling, and overall value. You'll find links to all the featured PCs conveniently placed in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Let's fire things up and find the perfect desktop to take your gaming to the next level. Number 5. Omen 45L. The Omen 45L gaming desktop is the epitome of power and performance, designed for gamers who demand the best. Featuring the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processors and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics with DLSS 3 and ray tracing capabilities, this desktop delivers desktop-caliber gameplay in a sleek package. The Omen 45L is not just about raw power, it's about superior cooling too. The Omen cryo chamber utilizes ambient air to provide extreme cooling, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. This cooling system is user upgradable, giving gamers the flexibility to adapt their setup. In terms of design, the desktop boasts a 45L case with tempered glass panels, offering both beauty and functionality. The full metal frame allows for toolless entry, making upgrades a breeze. With 4 RGB zones, the desktop is not only a beast in performance, but also a beauty to behold. The NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture and dedicated ray tracing cores power the graphics, delivering realistic and immersive visuals. With AI-accelerated NVIDIA DLSS 3 performance and NVIDIA Reflex low latency platform, gamers are always game ready. Moreover, the desktop is equipped with the NVIDIA Encoder, NVIDIA Broadcast app, and NVIDIA Studio for efficient streaming and content creation. The Omen 45L gaming desktop also offers a suite of features through the Omen Gaming Hub. From synchronizing lighting effects across Omen devices to choosing performance modes and monitoring system vitals in real time, gamers have complete control. Additionally, the desktop comes with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, allowing access to over 100 high-quality games. With a variety of ports including USB 2.0 Type-A, USB Type-A with 5 gigabits per second signaling rate, and a headphone-microphone combo, the Omen 45L provides serious connectivity options for all your gaming peripherals. In summary, the Omen 45L gaming desktop is the ultimate gaming powerhouse, combining cutting-edge technology, superior cooling, and aesthetic appeal. It's a gamer's dream machine, offering unmatched performance and customization options for an unparalleled gaming experience. Number 4. Asus ROG G22CH. The Asus 2023 ROG G22CH gaming desktop redefines compact gaming power with its condensed size and concentrated performance. Running on Windows 11 Pro, this 10-liter gaming desktop packs a punch without sacrificing space. Equipped with an Intel Core i9 13900KF processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card, it effortlessly handles the latest games and offers seamless streaming capabilities. With up to 32 gigabytes of 4800 MHz DDR5 RAM, multitasking is a breeze. The G22CH proves that great power doesn't require a large footprint. Cooling is essential in compact cases, and the G22CH offers 2 optimized options. Choose between traditional air-cooled or custom liquid cooling for the CPU, both ensuring smooth performance without excessive fan noise. Its tool-free design allows easy access for maintenance and upgrades, guaranteeing hassle-free customization. Personalization is key, and the G22CH delivers. The chassis features multiple side panel options and full Aura Sync RGB compatibility. Its indirect RGB lighting across the front panel, coupled with Aura Sync control, allows customization to match your mood and style. The G22CH offers splendid audio support with Dolby Atmos, delivering rich, immersive soundscapes. Additionally, it incorporates two-way AI noise cancellation technology, ensuring clear communications even in noisy environments. Connectivity is versatile, featuring HDMI 2.0, dedicated Ethernet, USB Type-A ports, and support for 7.1-channel surround sound audio. The front panel adds an audio combo jack, USB Type-A ports, and a USB Type-C port for added flexibility. In summary, the Asus 2023 2023 ROG G22CH gaming desktop combines power, personalization, and compact design. With its robust performance, advanced cooling, customizable lighting, excellent audio support, and versatile connectivity, it offers an extraordinary gaming experience in a small, stylish package. Upgrade your gaming setup with the G22CH for unparalleled gaming adventures. Number 3. Corsair Vengeance i7400 series. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 gaming PC is a high-performance gaming rig designed for serious gamers and content creators. Powered by the Intel Core i9-13900K processor and equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 graphics card, this PC delivers exceptional gaming experiences and multitasking capabilities. Featuring 64 gigabytes of Vengeance RGB Pro DDR 55600 megatransfers per second memory and a spacious 2 terabytes M.2 NVMe SSD, this PC ensures fast and efficient data storage and retrieval. The Z690 DDR5 motherboard provides a stable foundation for high-speed data processing. The power supply, a Corsair 1000-watt 80-plus gold fully modular unit, guarantees reliable power delivery to the components. The Corsair Vengeance i7400 stands out with its superior cooling system, including the Corsair H100i RGB Elite CPU cooler. It maintains optimal temperatures, preventing overheating even during intense gaming sessions. NVIDIA's latest GeForce RTX 40 series graphics card powers this PC, offering groundbreaking features like new streaming multiprocessors for enhanced performance and power efficiency. The 3rd Gen RT cores provide up to 2x ray tracing performance, delivering realistic and immersive graphics. Additionally, the NVIDIA DLSS 3 technology ensures AI-accelerated performance, while the NVIDIA Reflex low-latency platform enhances game-winning responsiveness. For creators, the PC supports NVIDIA Studio drivers and features NVIDIA Broadcast app for AI-enhanced voice and video capabilities. With its powerful hardware, cutting-edge graphics, and reliable components, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 gaming PC is an excellent choice for gamers and creators seeking top-tier performance and reliability in their computing experience. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 gaming desktop PC is a powerhouse designed for gamers and creators alike. Equipped with 13th Gen Intel Core processors, this desktop PC goes beyond performance, offering a seamless gaming experience. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, powered by NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, it delivers lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing and ultra-high FPS gaming. This PC comes with 3 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, allowing access to a vast library of games. It features advanced cooling with up to 260 watts liquid cooling or 190 watts air cooling, ensuring optimal performance even during intense gaming sessions. The mesh front bezel enhances airflow efficiency, operating quietly at 20 decibels. Designed for style, the Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 boasts a storm gray chassis, a 3D mesh front bezel, and a rail-side transparent glass panel to showcase internal components. The RGB wordmark logo and ARGB fans tuned by Legion Spectrum enhance the visual appeal. With cutting-edge 5200 MHz DDR5 memory, this PC offers faster, snappier gaming performance and can handle multitasking under heavy loads. It provides fast and abundant storage with high-capacity PCIe Gen 4 SSDs, ensuring faster load times and instant data transfers. The PC also offers various connectivity options, including ultra-fast USB-C ports, 2.5G Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. In addition, the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 features Nahimic audio by SteelSeries, providing immersive 3D audio tailored for gamers. Lenovo Vantage optimization tools allow users to customize settings, maximize performance, and control fan speeds, ensuring an unparalleled gaming experience. Embrace the power and style of the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8 gaming desktop PC, designed to dominate the gaming arena and deliver superior performance for gamers and content creators. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R16. The Alienware Aurora R16 gaming desktop, powered by Windows 11, represents a new pinnacle in gaming technology. Its Legend 3 design ensures efficient airflow and optimal performance without compromising on aesthetics. This desktop is a blend of power and personalization, featuring a clear panel option and an intentional thermal strategy that enhances cooling efficiency and reduces noise levels. With larger ventilation pathways, air and liquid cooling CPU options, and a 240mm heat exchanger, the Aurora R16 maintains low temperatures and smooth gaming experiences even during extended play sessions. The desktop's revamped Alienware Command Center software allows you to customize Alien FX lighting with over 16.8 million RGB colors. Choose from quiet, balanced, and performance modes to monitor and optimize your gaming experience. The Aurora R16 showcases the elevated Legend 3 industrial design, characterized by a sleek matte finish in basalt black. Under the hood, the Aurora R16 is equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series high-performance graphics options featuring the Ada Lovelace architecture. Realistic ray tracing, accelerated performance, ultra-responsive gameplay, and top-notch broadcasting capabilities redefine your gaming experience. This gaming powerhouse operates on up to 13th Gen Intel Core processors, supported by a 12-phase voltage regulation design to maintain consistent performance. It boasts fast load times with PCIe NVMe.2 slots for up to 8 terabytes of storage space. Additionally, Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet provide advanced networking, ensuring uninterrupted gameplay. The desktop's ports and slots include a variety of options, including USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 Type-C ports, audio input-output, and 2.0 Type-A ports. Its dimensions, including the rear pull bar, measure 16.46 inches in height, 7.75 inches in width, and 18.05 inches in depth, with a maximum weight of 33.89 pounds. With Windows 11 and Dell PCs, the Alienware Aurora R16 offers an unparalleled gaming experience. Included in select configurations is a 1-month subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for PC, providing access to a vast library of games. Premium support ensures assistance with game installation and troubleshooting, while Accidental Damage Service offers protection against drops, spills, and surges. So that's it for the best gaming desktops of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.